In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Now tap on App Notifications at the top. And by clicking on All, select one of those sorting options. In my case, sort by most frequent. Now to block notifications from any app, use blue sweater next to it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now grey sweater. If you want to, you can also just tap on any of those apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!